bouncing around upstairs. The block is flooded. Yeah. Oh, the block is flooded. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. Wow. Yeah. Woo. All right, Ma, hurry up, hurry up. All right, bye-bye.
Where's Mom at?
All right, bye.
What's Grandma?
She's at the church.
Oh, she would have heard me get home.
Wow.
Tree, a lot of trees in snap.
Dang.
It's broke. This tree in the back. Nobody's going home. Yeah, you didn't have time to check.
Look at the front. Huh? Yeah. Damn. Look at that. They caught the whole.
Dang. Oh my goodness. Did you look in our backyard? Make sure there's no tree down.
Wow.
Oh my God, Mom. Look at the way the clouds are moving.
I know.
It's like that way it's still, but if you look over there, it's like.
Oh, the tree is in the middle of the street. Everything came down.
Yeah.
You can't get through. They can't touch it. They get electrocuted.
That could be telephone.
Huh.
Wow.
Yo.
Came home when we did, because I wouldn't want to be out in the stuff and have the kids home.
His car is underwater right there. Right there. Man, it was no kind of warning whatsoever though, man. Yeah.
I looked up, I saw it swinging. I said, oh, slam my windows closed. It touched down. It went right to Baltimore.
Yeah. It always does.
That tree got hit down there too.
Yeah, but I don't understand.
Oh, the tree is gone, look. Right there.
No, that tree is cut.
Yeah.
That's what you're gonna hear around here.
Let me go check in the backyard.